This video was sponsored by Ritual. Ritual helps you fill the gaps in your diet and incorporate a lasting healthy habit into your routine with no shady additives, fillers, or colorants. I got the Essential for Men multivitamin, which contains 10 nutrients in each capsule that are difficult to get from diet alone. They have a wide range of vitamins for both men and women, and even a range of plant-based protein and symbiotics for gut health. Ritual's vitamins are vegan-friendly, non-GMO, gluten-free, allergen-free, and contains zero added sugar. What's cool is that they're fully transparent with the sourcing of their ingredients. You can trace where each ingredient came from and read about the decision-making process behind their choices. You can get your essential nutrients delivered straight to your door every month with no strings attached and no extra charge. Ritual is offering 30% off your first month. You can follow the link in the description and use my code MODERNMAKEOVERS30, or you can scan my QR code on screen to get started today.